What is a natural disaster? A natural disaster is a major adverse event resulting from natural processes of the earth. Examples include floods, volcanic eruptions, earthquakes, tsunamis, and wildfires. These events can cause great damage to human life, property, and the environment. Types of natural disasters. Natural disasters are extreme events that can cause significant damage to property and infrastructure, and even loss of life. They can be caused by a variety of factors, including weather, climate, and geological activity. Some of the most common types of natural disasters include earthquakes. Earthquakes are caused by the sudden release of energy from the Earth's crust. They can range in intensity from barely noticeable to extremely destructive. Major earthquakes can cause widespread damage to buildings, bridges, and other infrastructure, and can even trigger landslides, tsunamis, and other natural disasters. Examples: Valdivia earthquake, Shaanxi earthquake, Indian Ocean earthquake and tsunami, Tohoku earthquake, the earthquake. Floods. Floods occur when water overflows an area of land that is normally dry. They can be caused by heavy rainfall, snowmelt, or dam failures. Floods can cause significant damage to property and infrastructure, and can also lead to loss of life. Examples: China floods, Yellow River flood, Bhola cyclone, Pakistan floods. Hurricanes. Hurricanes are tropical cyclones that form over warm ocean waters. They are characterized by strong winds, heavy rainfall, and storm surges. Hurricanes can cause extensive damage to coastal areas and can also lead to loss of life. Examples: Great Galveston Hurricane, Hurricane Katrina, USA, Hurricane Mitch, Central America, Hurricane Maria, Caribbean, Hurricane Haiyan, Philippines. Tornadoes. Tornadoes are violent rotating columns of air that extend from the base of a thunderstorm cloud to the ground. They can cause significant damage to property and infrastructure, and can also lead to loss of life. Examples: Daulatpur, Saturia tornado, Bangladesh, Tri-State tornado, Joplin tornado, Moray tornado, USA, Super outbreak, USA and Canada. Tsunamis. Tsunamis are large waves that are caused by sudden disturbances in the ocean, such as earthquakes, landslides, or volcanic eruptions. They can travel across the ocean at speeds of up to 600 miles per hour and can cause significant damage to coastal areas. Examples: Indian Ocean tsunami, Tohoku tsunami, Japan, Lisbon tsunami, Portugal, Krakatoa tsunami, Indonesia, Lituya Bay tsunami, USA. Volcanic eruptions. Volcanic eruptions occur when magma, or molten rock, rises to the surface of the earth. They can cause significant damage to property and infrastructure, and can also lead to loss of life. Examples: Mount Tambora eruption, Indonesia, Krakatoa eruption, Indonesia, Mount Vesuvius eruption, Italy, Nevado del Ruiz eruption, Colombia, Mount Pelée eruption, Caribbean. Droughts. Droughts are periods of unusually dry weather that can cause significant damage to crops, livestock, and water supplies. They can also lead to wildfires and other natural disasters. Examples: Great Chinese Famine, China, Bengal Famine, India, Ethiopian Famine, Ethiopia, Dust Bowl, USA, Horn of Africa Drought, East Africa. Avalanches are the rapid descent of snow down a slope, They can be caused by a variety of factors, including heavy snowfall, wind, and earthquakes. Avalanches can cause significant damage to property and infrastructure, and can also lead to loss of life. Examples: Huascaran Avalanche, Peru; Wellington Avalanche, USA; Gary Avalanche, Pakistan; Galtur Avalanche, Austria; Blons Avalanche, Austria. Landslides are the movement of a mass of rock, soil, or debris down a slope. They can be caused by a variety of factors, including heavy rainfall, earthquakes, and volcanic eruptions. Landslides can cause significant damage to property and infrastructure, and can also lead to loss of life. Examples: Huascaran landslide, Peru; Vargas tragedy, Venezuela; Oso landslide, USA; Freetown mudslide, Sierra Leone; Leyte landslide, Philippines. Wildfires. Wildfires are uncontrolled fires that burn in natural areas, such as forests, grasslands, and shrublands. They can be caused by lightning strikes, human activity, or arson. Wildfires can cause extensive damage to property and infrastructure, and can also lead to loss of life. Examples: Peshtigo fire, Camp fire; Hawaii wildfires, USA; Black Saturday bushfires, Australia; Russia wildfires, Russia. Causes of natural disasters. Natural disasters can be caused by a variety of factors, including plate tectonics. The movement of the Earth's tectonic plates can cause earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and tsunamis. Climate change. Climate change is leading to more extreme weather events, such as heavy rainfall, droughts, and heat waves. These events can all lead to natural disasters. Human activity. Human activities, such as deforestation and dam construction, can also contribute to natural disasters. Impacts of natural disasters. Environmental impacts. Destruction of forests. Trees and plants are destroyed by events like wildfires and hurricanes. Loss of wildlife. Animals lose their homes and food sources. Water pollution. Floods and tsunamis mix dirty water with clean water. Land changes. Earthquakes and volcanoes reshape landforms. Air pollution. Smoke and ash from disasters pollute the air. Social impacts. Homes and schools are destroyed. Injuries and loss of life may occur. Families may lose shelter and basic needs. Hospitals and services may stop working. Economic impacts. Huge cost to rebuild cities and roads. Crops and farms are destroyed. Businesses may close temporarily. Transportation systems are damaged. Positive impacts of natural disasters. Volcanic soil becomes fertile for farming. Forests may regrow stronger after fires. New landforms can be created. Safety tips for natural disasters. Being prepared can save lives. Here are 10 simple and important safety tips everyone should know. Stay informed. Listen to weather reports and official warnings on TV, radio, or mobile alerts. Make an emergency plan. Discuss with your family where to meet and what to do during an emergency. Keep an emergency kit ready. Include water, dry food, flashlight, batteries, first aid kit, medicines, and important documents. Know emergency numbers. Save important contact numbers like police, fire department, and ambulance. Practice safety drills. Learn and practice earthquake or fire drills at school and home. Move to a safe place. Go to higher ground during floods or tsunamis. Stay indoors and away from windows during storms. Draw, cover, and hold on. During an earthquake, get under a strong table and protect your head. Avoid risky areas. Stay away from flood waters, damaged buildings, and fallen power lines. Follow official instructions. Obey evacuation orders from local authorities. Stay calm and help others. Do not panic. Help children, elderly people, and pets if it is safe to do so. Natural disasters can cause great damage, but they also remind us how powerful nature is. By learning about them, we can stay prepared and help protect our planet.